We're going to cut this thigh in half so it's easier to eat. So we're going to salt the chicken now with round about, what, a half teaspoon of salt?
네, 닭에 소금 간을 해두고 나머지 재료를 준비하면 됩니다. 팬을 약간 뜨겁게 달궈주세요. 닭을 앞뒤로 색을 낼 거예요.
So we're going to heat the pan to a medium-high heat because we're going to brown the chicken now. We're making hunter's chicken. Why is it called hunter's chicken?
Because a hunter goes out for hunting and then the hunter gets hungry and cook the game with the ingredients that the hunter has
So
on
a
the spot.
really simple one-pot dish. So it's up to you, but if you want, you can remove some of the oil.
I would say this is the simplest version that it can be. I'm just using onions and carrots and that's it. If you want, you can add some mushrooms, you can add some bell peppers.
Okay. So if you want to use dried rosemary, you have to use less because the dried herbs have got a stronger taste, right?
일단 마늘도 넣어줄게요.
You're using the wine to deglaze the pan, right? Getting all those really nice, yummy, juicy bits off the bottom of the pan. So it's optional, but you're adding what, about half a teaspoon of sugar to your taste, yeah?
한 25분 정도 동안 뚜껑을 덮고 닭을 익혀주세요.
Okay, so for the last 5 minutes, take the lid off and reduce the sauce to your liking.